Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I thought I would share with you what we do to decorate our Christmas presents for Christmas time. So if you'd like to see what we do, then stay tuned. So I have not finished decorating my main Christmas tree in the living room, which is where we put our presents, but I thought I would share with you how we decorate presents in our house for Christmas time. So we typically pick 2 or 3 papers for each person and then use those, so we'll know whose presents go with whom. And I've started putting the presents over here on the bench. They'll eventually go under the Christmas tree. But I thought I would show you how we coordinate things. Just one of the bows coming off of here. So what we do, as I mentioned, is we pick a couple different wrapping papers, and then those are for one person. So these here are for my older daughter, who is a musician. So we have some musical wrapping paper, and then we have this black antler paper that kind of goes with the music paper, since the music paper has black notes on it. And then we just use different bows. And I've mentioned this before a number of times if you've watched my channel, but we always use fabric ribbon for our bows because one of our cats likes to chew on the plasticky sort of ribbon. Now here's another set of presents, and we thought these 2 papers went together, this Christmas tree along with the Santa. But this paper here with the Santa on it, there are some spots where there's also music. I'm not really seeing any right now, but it sort of ties in with, oh, there's some right there, you can see. Some of the little circles and clocks have music behind them. So even though this is for a different person, it sort of ties in with the musical paper and the other one. Now this is for someone outside of our home, so it has a slightly different color scheme going on. And this one is for another person, and I haven't finished wrapping presents for that person yet, but it is my younger daughter, so it has a penguin gift tag on it. So she will have some presents wrapped in penguin paper. So that's a look at how we decorate our presents for people at Christmas time. Well, I hope you like the ideas that I gave you for decorating your Christmas presents. If you did, why don't you leave me a comment down below, or if you do something different in your house, why don't you let me know that as well. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button down below. I want to thank all of you for watching, and I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.